This garden house with terrace occupies a total footprint area of 560 square feet. Choosing the right foundation system for your garden building will save a lot on construction costs and extend the building's lifespan and quality of finish. By using the LogFoot foundation system with your garden building, you can save thousands when compared to other potential bases, such as a concrete pad. Concrete slab foundations have been a traditional choice for years, but they are not necessarily the best choice to use for a wooden garden house. Garden houses today are generally constructed from wood or other lightweight materials. Concrete foundations are outdated for garden houses, and the LogFoot system offers speed, stability, economy, and ventilation for your garden building. You can order a garden house with an environmentally friendly LogFoot foundation at Summerhouse 24 and save a lot of time and cash.